Let us find out how to add transition effects. Select the slide on which you want to apply a transition. Click on the Transition tab. Transition to this slide group appears on the ribbon displaying multiple transition effects. Click on the More drop-down arrow to display all the transition effects. Select any transition effect from the display choices. The current slide will display a preview of the selected effect. Select the effect options in the transitions to this slide group to choose any effect from the displayed list. Click on the drop-down arrow of the sound option in the timing group and select any sound effect of your choice. Click on the preview button and observe its effect. Specify the transition timing by entering the number of seconds or minutes in the duration box in the timing group. Select the On Mouse Click checkbox if you want to advance the slide by clicking the mouse. Click on the Apply to All button to apply the selected effects on all the slides. Otherwise, those effects will be applied on the current slide only. Open the Slideshow tab and click on the From Beginning button. The presentation will start from the beginning along with all applied transition effects.